हेलो गाइस, परब के चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रहिए। हम इसको पूरा डिटेल में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले हमारा मेन काम कौन से होते हैं। इसमें एक्सेसरी ग्लैंड है, यूट्रस और फैलोपियन ट्यूब एज वेल एज ओवरी। एंड देन इसमें प्राइमरी ग्लैंड्स हैं, वेजिना और सर्विक्स। ओके, और सबसे पहले हम ओवरी के फंक्शन डिस्कस करते हैं। ओवरी का मेन फंक्शन क्या है? ओवरी रिलीज एग, फीमेल गैमेट, फीमेल जर्म सेल इज कॉल्ड एज एग और ओवा और ओवम। And then one ovary will release one egg every month. For example, in January, this ovary will release egg. In February, this will release egg. March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, and then turn by turn they will release egg, and then when we go toward the fallopian tube or oviduct. Fallopian tube also play an important role in female reproductive system. Fallopian tube or uterine tube, it is also called oviduct, fallopian tube or uterine tube. You should label them as three by saying or. Oviduct, it is the main site of fertilization. Fallopian tube is the site of fertilization. And then we are going to discuss the function of uterus. Uterus also play a crucial role as it will make spongy lining. Spongy and soft, thick lining which is directly supplied the blood vessel. If fertilization will take place, the thick lining, this is the thick lining, it will provide relaxation to the baby. And uterus is pear shaped. Pear, P-E-A-R. Uterus is pear shaped. ओविडक्ट को यूट्रिन ट्यूब भी कहते हैं और इट इज फनल शेप। इट इज फनल funnel shape. Funnel shape. Okay, and then it has cilia. It is there hair like structure here. Like structure, it will push the egg inside. Okay, and then if we discuss the function of vagina, it is a muscular organ. It is a muscular organ and it is elastic. And then we are going to discuss the function of cervix. It make a connection between uterus and vagina. Sperm will enter from here to here. Okay, and there is the outer covering outside the female reproductive part which is called vulva, and there is a wall between this. Here a wall is present, thick wall is present, which is being broken by sperm, and it is called a hymen. Okay, and if you want more and more videos like this, you should have to comment down below in the comment section, and you should have to like video, comment video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.